My director and I are going to be testing out these GRIP6 wool socks at Red Rock Canyon just outside of Las Vegas, Nevada today. We're going to be doing some hiking on a moderate trail. I'm not sure which trail we're going to go to yet, but we're going to go ahead and try these out. Now she's going to be wearing the ankle socks and I'll be wearing the crew length socks. We're going to go ahead and test them out for fit and comfort and just see how well they do. We're going to be wearing hiking boots, and for those who don't do a lot of hiking, your boots and your socks are very important. You're going to have sore feet or you're going to lose your footing if you don't have the right boots and socks. So we really want to put these through their paces and just give you our initial impressions of how comfortable we think these socks are, how well we think they fit. So the socks we're going to be evaluating are factory seconds. There's some sort of visual flaw to them, some sort of blemish to them, although I can't see them. So there's nothing with factory second that's going to affect the comfort, durability, or any of that, the quality of the sock. And I specifically asked for factory seconds to Initially, evaluate. They did give me a pair of crew length wool socks in my boot size. However, I noticed these Coyote socks and I commented on them. But at the time that I saw these, at the time I filmed my tour of the factory, these socks were in pre-production. By the time I have this video edited and published, they should be available for sale on the website. And all they had in a factory second in the Coyote was one size below my boot size. But it's fairly close to my foot size, so it should fit no problem. But I will be evaluating these also from the standpoint of they're just a little bit small. So we're going to get out there, we're going to go find a moderate trail to hike, and when we're done, we'll talk about our initial impressions with the socks. How did they feel? How did they perform? Now it's time to get out to the beautiful Nevada desert. So we're here at Red Rock Canyon, just outside of Las Vegas. We're going to be hiking the La Madre Springs Trail. It's about 600 feet up the road is where the trailhead starts. It's a 3.5 mile moderate trail. It's a there and back. It's not a loop trail. The road here that we had to take to get this far is not maintained. It's really rocky, but the 2020 Colorado did great just coming down here. We decided to just go ahead and back it in right here so it'd be easy to get right back out. So I've got my GRIP6 wool socks and I'm wearing my Thorogood Warfighter boots. These are my steel-toed work boots, but they're good for hiking. I've got the GRIP6 Work Belt Pro, and I'm carrying my GRIP6 wallet. Additionally, I'll be open carrying, as it's legal to do here. I'm going to be wearing my standard military cartridge belt rig, and I've added my loopholed binoculars to it, as well as my K-bar fighting knife. I'll be open carrying a Ruger SR 1911. So let's get started. So according to my phone, we're above 4,700 feet right now. I can't get the temperature, but the forecast today was to be in the 60s. You can see it's sunny out, and the trail has been mostly uphill. It's a lot of rocks and loose sand. Some rocks are bigger than others, but overall, it is a moderate trail. It's mostly the uphill that is the effort, I guess you could say, to doing this trail. The scenery is beautiful, the color in the rocks. It's really, if you have a chance to come out to Red Rock Canyon, you won't be disappointed. As far as the socks go, my initial impressions putting them on were that they fit kind of like dress socks. It's because they max out at size 12 and I'm a 13. So they went on. I didn't have any difficulty, but they are a little bit snug, not uncomfortable. The socks so far have they've done just fine. I mean, if this was a really hot day, I don't know if I would get different results. The sun is out. I'm sweating a little bit, but that's also because I've been doing some running, or really jogging, uphill to kind of evaluate the socks, and that end we kind of got separated and I was trying to catch up to them. So it was a good opportunity for me to see just how comfortable they are. So hiking so far, comfortable, fit, comfortable, jogging in desert boots, comfortable. And what does my director think of GRIP6 wool socks?
Normally when we go hiking, whatever type of socks I have on, they're sliding off my feet. These socks I have on have not.